Every online business is unique, and it's not likely that a one-size-fits-all solution is going to solve your sales and marketing funnel problem. This online course gives you the essential skills you need to solve your marketing problems yourself. If you can afford expensive marketing consultants to fix your problems for you, that's fine. But there's a much less expensive solution. You don't need a full business course to get what you need to solve your business problems. You just need the essentials. Your sales funnel is a system. You need to learn how to craft a winning plan. And then you need to learn how to build a sales funnel that executes that winning plan. And this course teaches you what those elements are. It teaches you how to get leads. It teaches you how to get prospects. It teaches you how to nurture those prospects so you get all the customers that you need. Now, once we have this system in place and we know all the essential elements are there, we need to look inside those elements to make sure they're performing to their optimum degree. And we do that with A/B testing. This course teaches you how to A/B test effectively so you can get each element working, and that will turn your sales funnel into a cash generating machine that you always wanted it to be. The course has 10 videos and 7 ebooks that will teach you the 10 skills that you need to troubleshoot and fix your sales funnel and apply the 6-step method. It comes with a weekly webinar that will be live and recorded for those times when you can't make the webinar or find that it's fully booked. To get a free sample of this course, click on the link below and register, and I'll give you access to one full chapter on value propositions, which you'll find extremely useful in its own right.